Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the new category health and fitness and suggest to you the top highly profitable Amazon KDP niches. We'll guide you through these top demanding niches in this category, which you can choose to work on and generate some serious income. So let's jump right into it. Our first highly profitable niche for the health and fitness category is the intermittent fasting guide for women. With a niche score of 57, this niche offers a high demand and less competition. There are only 1,000 results in this niche, pointing to a low competition landscape. The average bestseller rank of 238,000 indicates a good number of sales and visibility, and with an average 1,200 plus reviews, it's clear that people are actively seeking this type of content. With an average price of $15, this niche offers a great opportunity to earn a substantial income. Moving on to our second highly profitable niche for this category, we have weight loss journey and tips. This niche has a niche score of 63, which is quite impressive. With only 800 total books out there and an average BSR of 400,000, this niche provides a good opportunity for success, although the average number of reviews is lower at 38. But there are fewer results, which means higher chances for sales, and with an average price of $8, there is potential to generate a higher number of sales and increase your revenues. Our third highly profitable niche is the Dash Diet Cookbook for beginners. With a niche score of 52, this niche offers a good level of demand and less competition. There are 4,000 results in this niche, indicating a higher competition landscape compared to the previous niches. However, the average BSR of 243,000 suggests a good number of sales and demand. What's impressive is the average 800 plus reviews, showing a strong interest and potential market. And with an average price of $12, this niche provides a great opportunity to generate a substantial income. Now let's talk about our fourth highly profitable niche, running marathon training book. With a niche score of 51, this niche offers a good demand and competition balance. There are 8,000 results in this niche, pointing to a higher competition landscape. The average BSR of 484,000 suggests a decent number of sales and visibility. Furthermore, the average 472 reviews show a good level of interest. And with a high average price of $19, even with a few sales, you have the potential to make a significant amount of money. Last but certainly not least, our fifth and most highly profitable niche for the health and fitness category is chair yoga for seniors over 60. This niche has an outstanding niche score of 66, the highest score among all the niches we've discussed so far. With only 539 results, competition is incredibly low in this niche. The average BSR of 300,000 indicates a high number of sales and demand. Furthermore, the average 241 reviews show a good level of interest. And with an appealing average price of $14, this niche offers a great opportunity to earn a significant income with fewer sales. To sum it up, if you're aiming to make money through self-publishing Amazon Kindle ebooks in the health and fitness category, we highly recommend considering these top 5 highly profitable niches. These niches have a high demand, and while some may have more competition than others, they all offer great potential for sales and earnings. So go ahead and explore these niches to kickstart your self-publishing journey and generate some serious income. That's it for this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.